What will happen in the 2024 presidential election run-up? Number one, we're going to have Donald Trump running to represent Republican Party. I'm sure he'll find a way to delay all this investigation until he'll run for presidency again. There's no other better candidate from the Republican Party other than Donald Trump. And word on the street is he's going to win. All right, because of this mismanagement by the Democratic Party. Number two, the second character we got to look out for is Emperor Xi Jinping, Xi Dada. All right, we're going to deal with these two jokers right now. And the third character we're going to deal with in 2024 is this guy called Satoshi Nakamoto, otherwise known as Bitcoin. We're going to have three major question marks entering into 2024 presidential election year.